Hi beautiful lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Compliment of the season. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. Thank you for tuning into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how my hobby, my Osina water, transform my old kitchen to new one. So beautiful lovers, you can see how my kitchen is looking now, and watch this video from the starting to the end and see how wonderful, beautiful this kitchen came out to look. So if you have your old kitchen, don't think that you need new one when you cannot afford it at that moment. Just maintain the one you have and turn it to new one as mine. So guys, stay tuned to this video. I love you all. Stay blessed. So guys, welcome back. Can you see how my kitchen is looking? As for me, I love it. Oh my god, my hubby, my Osnawata did a great and perfect job. If you do like it and you love my idea and this method of changing your old things to new one without you going for new one, please let me know at the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you that have been watching my video, my old subscribers, my new subscribers. May God Almighty bless you all. And share this video amongst your friends and family. Let them know how to economize. And I love you all. Bye.